I'm here because I want to make a student-led change in my community, in Boston, and in my world.
I think it's an amazing opportunity, and it's a way for you to put your creativity into use.
Real-world issues like housing, substance abuse and social media, green space in the city, gun violence. You have been picked behind the scenes. You've been recommended by your principals, by your teachers, by your mentors. When we asked which students, your name came up. Solving real problems for the city.
And we as the youth pick one of these challenges and we create solutions for our community.
We challenge students to ask themselves deeper questions about their mental health, your mental health, and we help them manage different ways to manage those different things.
So I'm going to tell you the story of Joaquin.
So the challenge that me and my team took on was the gun violence challenge, where we persuade the youth within our community to stay away from guns and just prevent gun violence as a whole. Me and my team, we chose to take on the challenge of homelessness because we felt like it's something that really spoke to a lot of us, and we thought it'd be really important to address.
Where we will connect students with the resources they need so that when they walk out of high school, they can chase their dreams, passions, and visions.
Think about the passion that your students bring to the classroom every day and the ideas that they have, but the lack of opportunities that they sometimes have to actually implement those ideas. We saw students today be inspiring, be creative, be leaders, and there are students from almost every high school in the city achieving that goal today.